Hello everyone, I hope we're all having a great day today. So in today's video, we're going to talk about Coca-Cola. Have you ever wondered how much Coca-Cola stock you'd need to earn a steady $1,000 every month just from dividends? Well, today we're going to break it down in a super simple way. Let's dive in. First things first, Coca-Cola is a dividend king. It has increased its dividend for over 60 years. As of now, Coca-Cola pays an annual dividend of $2.04 per share, or 51 cents per quarter. Now that's some solid passive income. Their dividend yield is 2.95%. Now let's get to the good part, the numbers. If you want to make $1,000 per month, that's $12,000 per year from dividends. Here's the super simple formula. It's going to be your total investment needed equals the annual income goal divided by dividend per share. So in our case, we take $12,000 divided by $2.04 per share. That's going to give us 5,882 shares and about 0.4 fractional shares. Now, what's the cost? If Coca-Cola is trading at $69.16 per share, we multiply 5,882.4 shares times 69.16, and that gives us $406,826.78. Now stick around because I'm going to show you another way that you can reach $12,000 per year in dividends from Coca-Cola with a lot less money. So Coca-Cola's dividends tend to grow over time, which means you may not need that much if you reinvest dividends and hold long term. Plus, if you dollar cost average, you might get a lower entry price over time. Now, is it realistic to put 400K into one stock at one time? Probably not for most people. So that's why I'm going to show you Coca-Cola using a drip calculator, which means you're going to be reinvesting dividends. With a little bit of time on your side, you can reach the $12,000 per year goal with a lot less money. So let's say your initial investment is $10,000 and the dividend frequency is quarterly, and you invest an extra $500 every month into Coca-Cola for 25 years. Well, this is going to give you $11,976 in annual dividends by the 25th year. Now, how much money is that invested to get to the same annual dividend payout? Well, I'll show you right here. $10,000 plus $500 every month for 25 years. That means it'll be $160,000. Now, that's a lot less than the $406,826 we talked about previously. So if you found this video insightful or helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll be making more content just like this and also other interesting videos as well, so please like and subscribe. It really means a lot to me and keeps me motivated to keep making content, so thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.